Hello and welcome back. Jordan here from Tools for Sparks, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel because I post regular video updates here all about electricians' tools, and some of them you're going to love. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and that helps us to get these videos out to more people who can benefit from them. And as always, we put links in the description of the video so that you can buy the tools that you see on this video. Now today's a special one because behind me you can just see here I've got some tools building up. What are they for? Well, they're for an upcoming giveaway. I've got loads of packages coming in from various very generous suppliers who said that they'll donate something to this giveaway. So please share the channel out with as many friends as you can. Share this video with them, get them to subscribe, because in a few weeks time we're going to be doing a huge giveaway which you're going to have an opportunity to win some great stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching guys, and have a great day.
Yes, that's right, it happened. A couple of months ago I made a video about installing armoured cable, and so many people suggested to me, why are you stripping it with a little miniature hacksaw? Why don't you get one of those Armourslice tools? So here it is. I finally went ahead and purchased one of these. I got it for Amazon. Cost me about 30 quid, and I'm really looking forward to using it. It feels quite heavy and solid actually. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what it's like. Put a link in the description if you want to buy one yourself. And when I'm on site trying it out, I'll make another video to show you how it works. As always, it's got that annoying kind of packaging that is sort of sealed shut. But essentially says that you've got 5 spare free blades in there. Somewhere at the bottom, I think, probably the spare blades are. But this is the tool. And it's really heavy, actually. I'm quite impressed. It's proper solid. And this is actually made out of metal. The whole thing basically is made out of metal. There's no plastic on it. So essentially what you do is you unscrew this to the size that you want. You pop your armoured cable in there. So imagining that this is my armoured, you then tighten it up. And when it's tight enough, you just start to rotate it around, and it will saw through not only the plastic but also the steel armouring. Just the right thickness. You see, this blade will go through just enough that it won't damage the cable, but it will saw through the armouring in a real neat way. So apparently it is up to 50% faster than using a hacksaw. Well, we'll see how that works out on site, but I would say it's definitely going to be safer at least, and it's going to be neater. I'm going to get a neater cut on it for sure. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Have you got one of these? How do you strip armoured cable? I'd love to know your comments, and as I say, I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy yourself one of these. You can get them for a really reasonable price on amazon.co.uk.